Once again, most welcome to again. Guys, latest game available now. So today I will be explain you something about this game, and many of people know to be understand now. This a games about. This is the everything so much easily now because many of people know to be completely watching my video, then he can't understand anything. So I have no magic. So I'm be like be 1 of 2 3 hours I this will be complete this game, but tell you seriously, but this is the strategy I have, and then I will give you, then you will be easily complete to be this game task because many of people not to be understand sometimes. So but I will be explain you how to be complete to be these games because many of people not to be understand how to receive these coins like the 50 million, so everything 5 million, sorry. So everything easily because just I request you end up watching this video, you will be easily understand because many of people not to be sometime understand, but I will be explain you how you will do, how you will be do this game and earns this coins because many of people sometime not to be understand, but I will be explain you how to be complete to be this game. And today I will be making video like be long, then I will be explain you how to complete to be this game coins, how to collect this game coins. So I hope you will be completely watching my video, and today I'm be slowly talking to you. Why? Because I will be give you strategy how to complete to be this collect to this coins easily. So I request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and before I want you will be completely understand about this game. So let's start this video, and please I request you don't skip this video. If checking my dear, I will be download this game and I will be explain you how to complete to be these games. Okay, so guys, depend on your brain because checking on this stage because this if you want if you know to be understand and how to complete to be this stage, so this is the more important options I will be show you again. Sorry, this stage, this option so more benefit for you because many of people sometimes not to be understand. So guys, everything so much easily now, and I will be explaining you how to be complete to be this collect this coins. So depend on your like how much you will be easily understand now. So first of all you will be click on this. Okay, this is the stage, everything so easily now not to be have problem, but next stage is so more important for you. You checking on this X5 click now. Okay, you checking now this time like you 105 I will be queen or no, because this is the everything much more easily if you not to be understand. So this is the not problem because depend on your luck how to complete to be these games. More levels to be more like be interesting. Okay, okay. Again to be watching X5 ad, this is the more important for you. So checking every time you will be watching X5 ads, and if you not to be listen me, if you not to be understand how to complete to be this level, so you will be using this power stage. Okay, this power you will be stage, this power you will be use now. And if you again you feeling more hardly, so you will be only one of the ads watching and skip this level because sometime like the many of people not to be understand how to complete to be this game. So I will be explain you how to complete to these games. Okay, okay, Don't know. Good, better. Okay, okay. Depend on your brain how to will be completely with this game, because many of people not to be understand sometime, but you never be skip X5 ads, okay? Guys, checking now, because everything so much easily now, just because many of people sometimes not to be using my opinion, not to be using my strategy, then he never be complete to be any level. So before you will be never skip 5 x5 ads, because you will be every time watching fifth ads, because this is the more important for you, and because this is the not know sometime many of friends. Okay, so this time I have needed to be more. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, again request you never to be skip these ads. I will be using again ads now, checking now, checking on this time quiz, because I already told to you everything so be easily, no, just only using your brain. And I will be try to be this uh, task now, what like be good working for me. This time you will be checking now, I have more powers. Okay, so I'm been this guys, you will be using x5 always be option, this is the more important. So checking now, unlock these options, I will be click on this option, because this they have be heroes like the power more than. So sometimes many people not to be understand how to be using these powers, checking on this game, because so guys everything so much easily now. If you not to be understand, I will be completely helping to you how to be complete with these games. Okay, again to be using now. So this is the options more important for you, please you never be skipping these ads x5 x3 x2, because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to complete with these games, and but I hope you will be understand, because my wish to I will be completely explain you how to be complete with this game. Okay, I'm be using my brain, and first of all will be okay. Okay, so x5 never be you will be skipping, okay? So guys, you will be checking now on the 5 minutes, I will be easy to be queens or not, but I see the problem. Review attack not thanks. I'm be again starting now. Guys, you checking now. This time I'm be not to be easily completable. I will be try this. Okay. Okay. To be using these options, but not to be fast attack on these options. So you will be fast. You will be click on this stage. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I understand now. I will be explain you again. First of all, you will be using these options, okay? x5. अपने favorite withdraw को अगर क्लिक करता हूँ तो आपका जो withdraw है. Guys, you checking now. This time I will be more coins are no, okay. I'm again trying these options. Okay, I will be try this. This time I have more queens, but I will be try with this. Oh my god. So guys, you will be checking now. I am be so more easily to be complete with this. Okay, so you see, I'm easily complete with this game, but this is the different strategy I will be show you how to complete now, because many of people sometimes not to be know I'm big. This time I have 250s. Okay, good, better. Okay, better. You checking now. So this time I have the more quiz now, and I will be using these options. These options I will be using. Okay, so I will be click him on these options. Okay, guys, you checking out. This time I have the 200 coins, so I will be trying to be first of all sorry. Try to be these options. I try now. Okay, again I will be move back here. Okay, so I will be try to be also be here. Okay, I will be go back move. So I will be click on these options. Okay, move back. Okay, okay, move back this again. So I will be try these options. Okay, move back again to be attacked now. Okay, that's better. So this is the everything so much easily now, not to be have any problems, and these options continue. So everything more easily now, and this only be always be X5 ads watching now, and next options I will be show you. Okay, I will be try to be this. Oh, this is the not good problem. Okay, I will be try with this. Oh my god. First of all, you will be do this. Okay, okay, better. So I will be down now. Okay, better. I will be down. Better. Okay, better. Then I'm down. Okay, more hair. So before then I'll be watching this the ads. Okay, you checking on my coins. This time you're checking now I have the more quiz. I will be try to be this. Okay, again I will be come here. Try to be this option. Okay, again try with this. Okay, and I will do with these options because okay, try to be this better. Sometimes many people not to be understand how to compete to be this games, and I will be give you best strategy. So before X5 ads watching now. So guys, everything so much easily now, not to be have any problem. So I may already told to you how to be complete to be this game. So this is the everything more easily now. Okay, Okay, so this time I need it to more. So before you watching these ads, okay, before I will be try this, and then I'm x5 x2 add the wadi video. Checking on this time I have more coins. I will be try with this. Okay, okay, I will come here these options. They more disturb to me, so no problem. I will be move back this option for. Okay, this time I have more and I will be try to be this. Okay, okay, because this is the more hard, but I will be do this. Try to be this option. Okay, again I'm be trying these options. Okay, so come on, and I will be easily to complete with this also. So thank you so much for you watching my video every time. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.